Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to talk about how we can integrate the Visual Studio code with the Salesforce organization application. For this we need to have two things installed in our system. The one of them is Visual Studio code and the other is Salesforce CLI. I will drop the link of both of them into the description. Just click on them and you need to just download them and install. So after installing, you need to open the Visual Studio application, and the first thing you need to do is to download the Salesforce extension pack. For this we need to go to this extension icon. Just click on this and here you need to search Salesforce extension pack. You will find this. Click on this and click on install. It will download the extension pack. After installing this, you need to create a project. So to create a project, either you can go to view and command palette. Here you need to search create project, or either you can just click Ctrl plus Shift plus P. This will open this, and here you need to search create project. So click on create project. It will ask the three options. Just go with the standard, and here you need to write the name. So I am giving it a try. Okay, so click on enter. It will ask the path where I need to save the project, so I will just select the path quickly. It will create the project. So before moving further, you need to make sure that your command line interface, that is CLI, installed in your system is up to date. So to check that, we need to go to terminal, and here you need to type sfdx and update. Just click on enter. It will automatically check. If it is not updated, it will update your sfdx, else it will show that it is already on the latest version. After this, you need to authorize your project with the Salesforce organizations. To do that, we need to again press Ctrl plus Shift plus P, and here you need to write authorize an organization. Just click on this. It will ask the four of option, so just go with the project default, and here you need to write the project name which we will be using in the Visual Studio code. So I will go with try. Click on enter. It will automatically start a process, and it will redirect me to the Salesforce organization and ask me to log in. As you can see, I've been already logged in to this with this ID. So I just need to click here, or you need to log in to your Salesforce application. So just enter your credentials and click on login. After clicking on login, it will open the Lightning experience page. I will move back to the Visual Studio code. So as you can see, it has successfully authorized this with my organization ID. Now if I want to create any Apex class, what I need to do is just click on Ctrl plus Shift plus P, and here I need to write create Apex class. Just give it a name like first Apex. Just hit on enter, and it will automatically create a Apex class. So if I want to upload this class to my Salesforce organization, I need to right click on the class, and I need to press this deploy source to organization, and it will automatically start a process which will deploy this class to my Salesforce organization. So as you can see, it is showing me and successfully ran. So now check that in my Salesforce organization, I need to go to setup. I will just find the Apex class, Apex classes, So the name of the application was First Apex. As you can see, I have created this Apex class in the Visual Studio code and it is available in the Salesforce application. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and click on subscribe button.